Hi everyone, welcome to Morgan and Mallet. Today we've got a super exciting opportunity for all you professionals out there. Our client is looking for an experienced domestic couple to look after the upkeep of their vacation home in Westhampton, New York. This full-time live-in role is suited for a trustworthy, proactive and hands-on couple with a genuine sense of service. The domestic couple will be jointly responsible for the day-to-day management and operations of the residence. The household is fully staffed on a rotational basis, and the couple will work in coordination with external vendors and additional domestic staff when present. If you found this opportunity exciting and want to stay updated on more like this, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell so you never miss an update. Don't forget to follow us on our social media channels for behind-the-scenes content, exclusive job posts, and more. The links are down below, so go check them out. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.